Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to ministry. We're going to clean something, and then we're going to the best place in the world.
Ikea. I've never been there.
I've
never been there. Okay, we just finished cleaning and our host dropped us off at a bus stop and we're grubbing before we go to Ikea. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we're going to Ikea to have a fun day and eat Swedish meatballs.
But I'm also having a snack.
Yeah. Part one of lunch.
Dun 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 dun
We're gonna go visit Nicole on her outside terrace, outside her apartment. Come watch. Nicole, oh my gosh, what a beautiful view.
Welcome to the outside, my terrace. These are all of my plants.
Wow.
I have Ingefara, Vajeka, Ingefara, Borby. We have lots of species here in Ikea.
Wow. What amazing sunlight they're getting, and
Yes.
you have an amazing view of this mountain. Wow.
Believe it or not.
Oh, look over there.
Believe it or not, this is all natural light.
The babies?
I have all I ever need in life. I've always wanted to cuddle with a pet rat.
Scabbers.
Look how cute this is. It makes me miss Happy. Oh my gosh, I love golden retrievers. Oh, and it's only 35 leva, which is, I don't know how many US dollars. That's still so cute. Hey, iSquad, here's the throwback to Romania. Y'all remember these?
Now for that good, aka the Swedish meatballs.
This is what I came for. Yum.
This concludes our Ikea adventure. We're finishing with the Swedish meatballs. Wow. Look at there.